across your path and my silhouette hangs like a pine man. Hope is a moment now long past. The shadow of death is the one I cast. I am a soldier and I'm marching on.
Oh my word, what an incredible performance. So good, military precision, inventive. It's one of the best performances I've seen in this competition over the years.